So tell me the make and model of your bike.
This is a 2023 BMW S1000rr.
Okay, is this your first bike?
This is my second bike.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to have an R7.
BMW's Manassas.
Do you have only one bike right now or two bikes?
I currently only have one bike because my friend crashed my other one.
Ooh, okay. So what do you tell me? Why BMW? Why did you choose this bike?
Well, I've always owned BMW cars, so
Oh,
I'm just
okay.
naturally
There you
kinda
go.
involved in the BMW
And also,
route.
is it because of the looks and the styling
Absolutely.
too?
Yeah, just the ride. It's just amazing.
Okay.
Nice handling. It's really, yeah.
What is your riding style? Like a highway, side street, or what?
I like highways. Highways are fun.
Okay.
Definitely. A little bit of back roads here and there, but definitely highways. Yeah.
Now, have you done anything to the bike?
Nothing mechanically, but I did add on these forged carbon bearings.
Okay.
And then I changed out the exhaust with the Awesome Racing. I think
Yes.
it's a V3 exhaust.
Okay.
And then I also changed my brake and my clutch levers. And I think that's, and my mirrors. I did the Revzilla
Did you
mirrors.
get your inspiration from somebody, or did you just do research yourself?
Just did research myself.
Yourself
Like I
and
went
found-
online, looked at all the fairings that could possibly fit in this
Yeah,
model,
your
and this
bike
is my
looks
favorite.
beautiful.
Thank
Yeah.
you, thank you.
You know. So what's your plan? Are you going to keep this bike for a long time?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
You know, what year is it? You said
23.
23. Wow. So this is brand new.
Yeah.
Did you buy it brand new?
I bought it in 24, so yeah.
You bought it used? How many
Oh
miles?
no, well it's new, but
Oh, you
I
bought it
didn't buy
brand
it
new?
in 23. Yeah, I didn't buy it in 23.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you bought it brand new.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. How many miles have you put on it since you bought it?
I think it's like 2,300.
2,300?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're new.
We're just a little bit. We're adding every day.
You know, okay. Do you commute on the bike?
Depending on what I'm doing for the day. Like if I can fit it in a small backpack, or if I can fit it in like a larger backpack, then I'll ride my bike. But usually I drive my car.
Oh, okay. And how long is your commute?
It depends. So I own a restaurant with my family, but we have several different locations.
Okay.
So our closest location is like 20 minutes away. Our furthest location is like an hour. And like
What is the name of the restaurant?
It's called Dat Jerk Caribbean Char Grill.
Is it Caribbean Char?
Yeah, it's like think of it like a Caribbean Chipotle.
Ah, Caribbean
Yeah,
Chipotle.
so we have four
Where are they
locations.
located?
There's one in Waldorf, Halethorpe, Glenarden, and Lansdowne.
Okay.
Actually, no, Columbia. Sorry.
You have to send me a link,
Yeah.
and I will put it in my video. Tell me about some of the features and how does the bike feel to you? Do you do the work yourself, like oil changes and all that?
Oh, no.
Okay.
I'm still learning about the bike itself, so no, I haven't done anything on my own, but I am still learning all the time.
Where do you take it for, oil changes and things of
I
that
go
nature?
to Bob's BMW.
Oh,
It's
Bob's.
in Jessup,
Is that close to you?
It's like a 45 minutes.
Ah, okay,
yeah,
okay.
But, I think
that's the closest.
Yes.
Okay.
In the future, though, I might not go there. So. I know I have a friend who can do it.
He can do it for you? Yeah. Tell me about the safety features on the bike.
Absolutely. I mean, it has like the automatic hold. So when you're on a hill, if you're going up or down, you can press the brake, hold it in, and it will, hold the bike so you don't fall back or roll back or anything like that.
So do you use that feature a lot?
I try not to make sure that like I'm still an avid rider, like I know how to like start a bike on a hill and stuff like that.
Okay.
But for the most part, I use it quite a bit.
You use
I
it
use
like
it quite a bit.
What about, does it have heated grips?
Has heated grips.
Okay.
Yes.
Cruise control?
Cruise control is amazing.
So do you
yes.
use the cruise control
I
feature?
just started using it.
You have not?
I don't. I started literally yesterday.
Okay. The bike is a heavy bike.
Yeah.
How do you find it handling wise based on your
Well, okay.
stature?
So when I first got the bike, I didn't handle it very well because I was too short. So I was constantly on my tippy toes all the time. And I don't want to say it out loud, but I'm going to be honest. I used to drop the bike a lot.
No problem.
So I ruined.
You dropped this?
I did.
Oh, you did? A couple of times?
This, with the fairings on, I've only dropped it once, so there's like a scuff on the side over there.
Okay.
But the original red that I had, the Passion Red, it's pretty banged up a little bit. So once I got it lowered, though, now the handling is amazing. I love this bike so much.
Who lowered it? Bob's?
Yeah, I went to Bob's.
Oh, they lowered it? Okay.
They did, yeah, but they literally lowered it as low as it could possibly go. They didn't tell me how many inches, but
Yes.
yeah, I could
When
feel like
they
maybe
lowered it, did they lower it from the
front
back?
and the back.
Yes, that's what I was going to
Yeah,
ask.
they did the front and the back with Brock's Performance.
So they did both of them, okay.
Yeah.
Sit on the bike, I want to see that, since you lowered it, I want to see, so that way my lady, subscribers can see that, wow.
So then if I lift it up, that's my feet are looking like now.
Yeah. Need your helmet?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So yep, I'm now flat-footed.
Oh yeah. You totally
Yeah.
They lowered it a lot.
A lot, like incredibly a lot.
Yes, I'm surprised. I didn't even know that you could lower it that much.
That much, right?
Yeah, I'm shocked that they were able to lower it to that. Where? How tall are you?
I'm 5'4".
5'4". Okay,
Yeah, so this is
you're
needed.
not like I just met this girl today. I interviewed.
Yeah.
She's like 5'1".
That's crazy.
So okay, you know what I mean?
So she's probably still on her tippy toes.
Yeah, and she doesn't have this. She has another bike and
Yeah.
all that, Yeah, this fits you
Yeah, thank you.
very well.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I love it now.
Yeah, you like a glove on it now. You know what I mean?
Thank you so much.
Obviously, you probably don't take anybody, your significant
Absolutely
other,
not,
right
no.
now on the bike, right?
I don't even have a seat on the back of here.
Yeah,
And it's
it's-
also on purpose, so people can't ask me for a ride.
Yeah. It's probably a good idea for you not to do it
Absolutely.
for a while.
Yeah, I don't think I ever would want to be honest with you. I probably would never do it.
Can you turn the? I want to see the dash with you.
Man, I was so damn cold.
Find my keys.
I noticed that that's the trend they do for the shape.
Yeah, the dash on the BMWs is one of the biggest ones. You know, the screen is like beautiful, right?
Yeah.
So look how clear it is. Wow. That on my Honda, it's not like that. yeah, my Honda is not like that. Totally not. You know, this is very, very nice.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem. Cool.
Thank you.
The styling is looking good. You did an awesome job
Thank
on
you.
the.
Still got a lot of work to do, but it's
You know?
gonna come together.
So what you said you have a lot of. Are you planning on doing anything different now on the bike?
so I'm getting it partially wrapped this week.
Oh, you are? Oh,
Yeah,
awesome.
so just some of the forged carbon is gonna get covered, the tank's gonna get covered.
Do what?
So I have a purple car, so I wanted to match my car. So
Yay!
Yeah.
Awesome.
To add my crash guards.
I have
as
to
well.
then, bring you back on the video
But-
again when
yeah,
you have it wrapped.
absolutely,
You know? So maybe when you get it wrapped,
Yeah.
we have to bring you back in here
Absolutely,
again.
I'll be here.
Is any of your family member into riding too?
Yeah, my dad and my brother. They
Oh,
used
do
to
they have
ride.
bikes?
Yeah, they used to. Not anymore.
Not anymore?
My brother got in a really bad accident in high school.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's
So
actually
were
why
they
I wasn't
okay
able-
with you?
No.
I was going to ask, yes. So tell us your experience on that.
Well,
Was it like,
when I was younger, I wasn't able to get one.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Very good choice, just like his, you know what I mean? His is the
Yeah.
M, but
Nothing.
this is perfect, you know?
I'll give you that.
You know, this is perfect.
Yeah.
You know? Let me give you a helmet back.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
You want to like throw that, or are you done?
No, I'm not.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Thank
no
you.
problem.